Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday, happy Thursday, happy Thursday. Well, I've got a plug for you. So, if you want to know more about the financial, lekker, monies that you can make, whether you want to make it wekelijks of maandelijks, but dis 'n lekker plak. Dis 'n plakkie wat regtig finansiëel die government gaan in shock is oor 'n paar jaar. Die government gaan in shock is. Even die banks. Ons gaan nie weer ons investments nog nie wees in die bank soos ons gewoonlik geïnvest het nie, because this business gives you better outcome. Passive income, reoccurring income, generational wealth, and the cherry on top, it is willable. Let me plug you. Comment info and I will show you how. Toodles.